Good afternoon. We're excited today to introduce you to Yseop, the very first enterprise software based on artificial intelligence that writes just like a human being, but at a speed of thousands of pages per second and in multiple languages. For our customers, this means we've been delivering higher performance, reductions in cost, and higher revenues across the financial industry. Today, we'll show you 2 live demonstrations of how Yseop has been able to provide these solutions and some of the opportunities within the financial industry. First, we'll take a look at how Yseop is generating highly qualified leads on the internet to ignite your sales process. This process begins by asking a prospect dynamic and unscripted questions to provide then a completely personalized recommendation as to what strategies they should be taking. Let's go ahead and take a look.
So in this example, let's go ahead and say that Yseop is working with a retail bank which would like to increase its revenue by selling customers or prospects complex financial products online. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this application and say that my name is Elizabeth. The last name is Finovate. Because we're dealing with retirement planning here, I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm about 40 years old, that I'd like to retire around the age of 60, and I submit my answers, and I'll go ahead and say that my sum total of retirement savings to date is around $150,000 or $160,000. My annual income is about $53, and I save about $700 each month. We'll go ahead and say that I'm a conservative investor, that generally I prefer low-risk investment. At the same time, when I retire, I dream of traveling the world, and I do not want to give anything up about my current lifestyle. So I submit these answers, and I see that, surprise, surprise, Yseop tells me there's no way I'm going to be able to achieve my current retirement goals with my monthly savings rate and current salary. So Yseop asks me, where am I willing to budge? We'll go ahead and say that I'm a bit flexible about my investment risk profile. I might be willing to invest in a more aggressive way. Unfortunately, I can't save any more money every month, but I am willing to work to a later age than 60. So I submit these answers, and I see that instantly Yseop writes the web page that you see on the screen in front of you, which is completely personalized based on the answers that I've given to the previous questions. At the top, I have a summary of the information that I've given, summarizing my current retirement planning strategy and goals. And below, I have 2 completely personalized options, which Yseop has suggested to allow me to better reach my retirement planning goals and strategy. So all of this written instantly without human intervention. So let's go ahead and imagine that, for example, for some reason, I'd like this written to me in Spanish because I'm a Spanish speaker. With just one click of a button, Yseop has instantly rewritten the text in Spanish. And returning here to English, I'd like to show you that if I press Write New Text, Yseop instantly rewrites the text each time. All of the sentences are constructed on the fly. Yseop knows the rules of grammar in English and the difference between a subject, verb, and complement. Yseop's ability to explain in natural language why a particular product or solution is unique and meets a customer's needs is what makes us unique on the market.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Now, for our second live demonstration, we'll have a look at how Yseop is revolutionizing cross-selling for over 20,000 of your peers, all while increasing their sales productivity by 20% overnight, and that's without any additional training. Acquiring new customers is incredibly costly, and most marketing experts agree that the best key to reducing the cost associated with that is to focus on increasing sales revenue through cultivating your existing customers. Yseop provides a solution that detects from your CRM the best cross-selling opportunities for your salesperson instantly within seconds. This application begins by first starting from the CRM, then reasons on that and determines from the CRM and your existing data that you have the best opportunities for that salesperson, explaining the best products and the most suitable strategies for that individual. Then they're able to explain how actually to sell them to the individual. Let's actually take a look in greater detail.
Okay, so let's go ahead and say that Matthew is a customer going to his bank because he's unhappy about recent overdraft fees drawn from his account. He's been a customer for 22 years, and he asked to speak to his banker, John Davis. John Davis logs into his bank's CRM and sees the screen that you have in front of you, containing hundreds of pieces of data, very useful for understanding Matthew and his situation, but no way to quickly solve Matthew's problem and provide a solution. So with one click of a button, I press Prepare Client Meeting, and Yseop instantly generates the screen that you see in front of you. At the top, summarizing Matthew's relationship with the bank and his profile, and here, more importantly, providing a very personalized analysis. So I'm drawing your attention here to the issue of overdraft fees. Yseop has explained in a very personalized way to the banker exactly how to solve the banker's problem. All of the banker's preparatory work has been done for him instantly with no extra time added. So we'll go ahead and say that the banker solves Matthew's problem and would like to take advantage of the fact that he's in contact with Matthew to propose additional products to him. So to cross-sell. So I go ahead and click on recommended client actions and products here, and I see that Yseop has selected an additional product of interest to Matthew, given his age and profile and the number of years that he's been with the bank, and listed completely personalized selling points. So it's not just our ability to provide recommendations to a client of a particular product, which is interesting, but really the fact that we can explain why this product is suited to a particular customer's profile.
Exactly. And preparing a meeting, a task that used to take hours, now with our unique solution only takes seconds, allowing for your sales representative to focus on building that relationship and strengthening the brand loyalty to your bank. Building and tailoring these applications with our powerful suite only takes 3 months, meaning that if you start today, you'll have these solutions before the end of 2013. Please note that Yseop does not use templates because, as Elizabeth mentioned, we work from the rules of grammar. We look forward to seeing you at our booth. Please stop by. And we also have an important announcement that we have just opened our office in New York. Thank you very much for your time.